Hi, I'm Dan from oneHR, and in this tutorial video, I'll be running through how we can set up a new leave or absence type on oneHR. So, from our dashboard, we start by heading into the admin section. Within this admin view, we can then select the leave calendar option. And here we will be presented with a list of our existing leave and absence types, and then also the fields and ability to set up a brand new one. So in this example, I'm going to set up a new leave type that I'm going to call unpaid leave. You'll see we then have the ability to assign this a colour. So this is how the leave or absence will appear in the calendar, making it easier to differentiate between different types of leave or absence. So I'm going to select a pink for this unpaid leave. And then you see below, you then have some options to choose whether or not the leave is deductible, whether it impacts the user's Bradford factor score, or whether or not it requires approval. So with this example, we're going to have this leave set so that it requires approval, but it isn't deducted from the user's leave entitlement, and it doesn't impact their Bradford factor score. Once I click on Add, this leave type will have been created. And then if we just scroll down to the list below, we'll be able to see it here on our list of existing leave and absence types. We'll also have the option to edit or remove this type if we wish to do so. So now I've got the ability to head into our leave calendar, and you can see when I'm adding a holiday for this user here, under the options for types, unpaid leave is now available for me to select. I can then set a start and end date for that leave. If I wish to do so, enter a reason, and once that's been booked, you can see it now appears on the calendar with the selected colour.